Then we campaign for our candidate.
Yeah. Sure.
Sir, particularly Bangalore Central.
Correct. Photo.
Vamos.
Here, MLAs are more in number.
Okay. Yeah.
Bangalore
Correct.
Central பண்ணலாம் sir.
Yeah, Mansur.
ஆமா Mansur. Bangalore Central.
Tomorrow the whole day I will be here. Tomorrow.
South also.
Evening I am going to Chennai because I have one meeting. I didn't invite you.
எக்ஸ்கியூஸ்
Photo
வாங்க மூர்த்தி வாங்கன்னு சொல்கிறேன் உட்காருங்க எப்பவுமே கேட்க மாட்டேங்குது ஃபோட்டோ எடுக்கிறது தவிர வேறு எந்த வேலையும் செய்யாது
வீடு எடுக்கணும்
Tamil Nadu.
4 தடவை சொல்கிறாரு திருப்பி ஃபோட்டோ எடுக்குது
DMK alliance because they split the
And there is no alliance between AID and
ADMK and BJP. So split they also split the votes. It's very easy for us. So all the party seats we will win. Congress will get 10 seats.
46.
Tamil Nadu.
Totally 46.
40 including 40 seats. Including
Congress got 10 seats.
10
Yeah.
seats. It is good. 10, 100%.
All the 10 seats.
All the 10 seats will win.
You also contested?
Yeah, I also.
Yeah. He's a sitting MP, no sir?
Yeah,
Yes, I know.
Yeah. So,
ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡೋದು
Only for this purpose I came here. Our candidates are doing campaign.